Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming data and permissions with your carrier. You need sufficient allowance because tethering uses mobile data. Next, open Settings and tap the Hotspot or Tethering menu to enable the feature. Create a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. This prevents strangers from using your connection. Once done, decide between 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and keep the screen awake while initial clients connect. Now, connect your laptop or tablet by selecting the SSID and entering the password you set. You will see a connection indicator on both devices. If Wi-Fi is unstable, switch to USB tethering for reliability or pair via Bluetooth for low bandwidth use. Make sure to limit the number of simultaneous devices in the hotspot settings to avoid throttling. Additionally, enable client management or MAC filtering so only known devices can join. To wrap up, monitor your data usage and battery. Tethering drains power fast, so use a charger when available and enable auto turn-off after idle minutes. If a device won't connect, first restart the hotspot on your phone, then reboot the client. Next, toggle airplane mode to reset radios. If issues persist, check for carrier blocks and, as a last resort, reset network settings. Note that erases saved Wi-Fi and VPN profiles, so back up credentials beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.